Welcome to the Storytime English channel. Enjoy the video. Baking chocolate muffins. Marie and Louise, twin sisters with a shared love for baking, are here to guide you through one of their favorite dessert recipes, cocoa muffins with chocolate chunks. Ingredients: 2 cups of flour, a ½ cup cocoa powder, 1 cup sugar, 1 terabyte spoon baking powder, a ½ teaspoon salt, a ½ cup milk, a ¼ cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a ½ cup sour cream, 1 cup chocolate chunks. Marie and Louise suggest that before starting, it's helpful to measure out all the ingredients and have them ready on the counter. This makes the process smoother and faster. Step 1. Preheat the oven. First things first, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven heats up, the sisters begin making the batter. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, they combine the cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Then, they sift the flour and add it to the dry mix. Marie advises,
be sure to stir everything well so the ingredients are evenly mixed.
Step 3. Mix wet ingredients. In another large bowl, Louise pours in the milk, adds the vegetable oil, and cracks in the eggs. She then adds the sour cream for that extra moisture. Using a whisk, she mixes everything until smooth. Step 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. The twins then slowly combine the wet and dry ingredients. They caution against overmixing. Just stir until everything is combined. Overmixing can make the muffins tough. Step 5. Add the chocolate chunks. Now it's time for the fun part. Louise carefully folds the chocolate chunks into the batter. The chocolate chunks will melt and make each bite rich and gooey. Step 6. Fill the muffin liners. Marie and Louise line the muffin tin with paper liners. They carefully spoon the batter into each liner, filling them about 3/4 full. This allows the muffins to rise without overflowing. Step 7. Bake the muffins. The muffins are placed in the preheated oven and baked for 20 to 25 minutes. While waiting, the sisters prepare some tea to enjoy with their freshly baked muffins. Step 8. Let the muffins cool. Once the timer goes off, the muffins are taken out of the oven and left to cool for a few minutes. If you like, you can dust them with powdered sugar for an extra touch of sweetness. Now, the muffins are ready to be served. Enjoy them with a cup of tea or share them with friends and family for a delicious treat.
Test your understanding. Baking chocolate muffins. 1. What do Marie and Louise add to the batter for extra moisture and richness? Butter, sour cream, yogurt. Sour cream. 2. How full do Marie and Louise fill the muffin liners? Half full. Almost to the top. 3/4 full. Three-quarters full. 3. What do Marie and Louise suggest to do after the muffins are baked? Dust with powdered sugar. Add more chocolate chunks. Cover with frosting. Dust with powdered sugar.
Great job! You've completed the story and the tests, and now you're one step closer to mastering some fun and useful English skills. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make delicious chocolate muffins with Marie and Louise, while also picking up new vocabulary and expressions along the way. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring and experimenting with your English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories and learning tips. Also, let us know in the comments what recipes or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video, and happy learning!